Many families in the villages and cities eat soya cheese in various dishes. Soya cheese is rich in protein and can replace meat or fish in the diet. Soya cheese is also cheaper than cheese made from cow's milk. By eating soya cheese, children grow well and the whole family stays healthy. Cake derived from the processing is used to feed animals and to enrich the soil. By making and selling soya cheese, rural women can earn an extra income. But due to poor processing practices and a lack of hygiene, many consumers do not like the cheese because it may contain grains of sand and have an unpleasant smell. In this video, we will see how to make good quality soya cheese. Remember the 6 steps to follow to produce good quality soya cheese. Choose, winnow, and sort good quality soya beans. Remove the skin of the soya beans in the meal. Soak the grains in clean water and change the water frequently. Grind the soaked grain at the mill into a paste. Extract the soya milk. Cook the milk while adding fermented maize water. And collect the cheese. When you follow these steps correctly, you will get a good quality cheese that consumers like, which will allow you to have many customers and make a good profit.